Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in all pages in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open our Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture from all pages. Go to the pages section and we can see here 4 page. Now we want to insert 4 page picture at once. Select this master pages and double click on the master page. Then go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now select this picture and click open. Then place this picture. Then go back the tools section and select the move tool and move picture anywhere. Then click outside of the page and disable this master pages and double click on the main page and check the all pages. We can see we insert a picture all pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.